Hey guys, Matthias here again from beardinstructor.com, and today I'm going to review the Grizzly Adam Travel Scently gift set. I recently got my hands on a pretty new natural beard care set from a company from the UK, that's Grizzly Adam. And I made a hands-on video a couple of weeks ago. And last weekend I used the products on a little trip I did. And I want to share my experiences and a little review with you today. The set contains 30 milliliters of the beard wash, 30 milliliters of the beard oil, and 60 milliliters beard balm, packed into a nice gift box. The liquid products are filled in travel-friendly and easy-to-use bottles. Grizzly Adam promotes the kit as an all-natural product, which I can luckily confirm. None of the three components contain something chemical, and which is a big advantage. I really like it. The list of ingredients is printed easy to read on the back side of the box, which also deserves a thumbs up. Sometimes the list of ingredients is printed so small that it's kinda impossible to read, and this is because the producer wants to hide or they want you not to read it. If you want to know the complete list of ingredients, go onto my blog. There's a blog post. I put the link in the description of this video. The beard wash, yeah, this is actually my favorite product of the whole package. When I got my first hands on this product, I thought the smell was not so good. It smelled a bit old. But I was using it on the trip, and I have to say it is a really good beard wash. The smell is okay. It vanishes after a pretty short time. But what I really like is the result. After using it, it contains some oils. You get a very shiny beard. Very good. I praised the bottle in my hands on already because it makes it very easy to use the beard wash and also the beard oil. But the bottle is unfortunately not flight safe and it leaks. I think it's caused by the cabin pressure, which is actually a problem with other liquids as well. What I was actually surprised about is that you might think that the runny consistency results in a little foam production, but the opposite is the case. The wash produces a good amount of foam and it's very fine. Next is a beard oil. The premium beard oil comes in the same bottle as the wash. It has more or less the same smell than the balm and it has a pretty thick consistency. The oil has a rich formula and gives a very nice shine in the end. Finally, the balm. The balm has a creamy consistency and it has the same smell than the oil. The regular price on the manufacturer's website for this kit is 35 British pounds. And that's a lot of money for the little amounts. While I personally think it's worth to pay a bit more for good products made by small companies and with natural ingredients, this product also wants to convince me that it's a travel set and it wants to convince me with the travel convenience. But at this point, the bottles leak in the cabin. Thus, this premium benefit is gone and the value to pay extra becomes a little bit smaller. The good. The products are all natural, which is a super big plus to me. They deliver a very good result and the bottles are pretty clever. The bad, on the one side the bottles are clever, on the other hand they leak under cabin pressure. Plus the set is pretty pricey, I think. All natural, travel friendly and delivering good products. That are 3 points that makes it a very good product and I really recommend it. On top, it's a good gift for beardos, but I have to say it's pricey for personal usage. I think that's a bit overpriced. There are some better bottles available of these products on the company website. That's it for today. If you want to know more about grooming or beard care, or if you want to know more about the products, read the blog post on www.beardinstructor.com. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up or subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments below and we see us next week here. Stay bearded. Bye bye, guys.